These professional website designs didn't take weeks to build. Every single one of them was fully generated by AI. And even though they were fast to make, the quality is so high that you can easily sell them for 3K or more to high-ticket clients. In this video, I'm going to show you the free AI tool I use to design professional sites like these, and my visual close strategy to sell them before you ever touch the GoHighLevel website builder. This is part 1 of a 2-part series. In this video, we cover the design and the sales strategy. Then in part 2, we build the actual website in GoHighLevel, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Really quick before we get into the video. If you want to use this exact AI designer, you can comment down below AI and I send you the link to the free website design builder. And I also send you the link to the prompts I use to design my websites. The website builder is called Aura and it basically creates designs using Gemini 3 Pro, like by far the best model to do that. And in my use case, I sell websites on GoHighLevel. So I create the design on Aura and then I transfer it to GoHighLevel. And in part 2, I will show you how I take the design and build like a fully functional website from the Aura design, but you also can hire a web developer to do that on GoHighLevel. So I created a prompt, which you can also get completely for free. Just comment AI below this video and I send you the prompt completely for free. But with that prompt, I quickly show you what you get. With that prompt, I now want to create an AI SaaS landing page, which is like pretty common for GoHighLevel. A lot of people are selling like, for example, reputation management, AI and SaaS. So let's build a fully functional website for this niche. So, and that's the final result. So you get a really nice looking landing page. I just gave like a few instructions. So for example, how many sections I want, the niche, like the content. I didn't really give it the content. I just gave it like the niche and what the SaaS is all about. So all the content is made up. So you could, for example, add the content to like Gemini or Claude and create a prompt already using the content you want to have on your website. So let's have a quick look. So it created me a hero section, it created a benefit section, a really nice animated section for a feature. So we have 3 feature sections all together. So there's one more, it's like a little bit jumping around. There's another one. I also gave it a prompt to animate a scroll fade effect. So you can see like the entire website is animated on scroll. Then we have a nice benefit section over here. Then we have some social proof and a CTA. So the call to action section does not look perfect. Like the issue right now is that I added some scroll animation. So if you come to design, you can see like nothing is showing because it's animated, so it's not visible in the design tab. But normally if you create like a design, make sure that you add the prompt to add scroll effects at the end so you can easily make any adjustments. And I quickly show you what I mean on a different website. So this is an example for a moving company where I created a website with Aura for it. And as you can see, there are no scroll effects on the website. So if you now come to design, you can see that we can select, for example, the text and we can easily change the text here. We can like change the background image. We can change all the colors. If you come in here, you can see all the colors that are used. You can change the font. You can change the assets, which is really nice. That's a big problem with Gemini 3 that you can't really make edits like that, because sometimes it's really hard to prompt the AI to, for example, just exchange the background image and then it breaks like the entire design. So with the prompt is way number 1 to create a website. Now I'll show you the second way with, for example, Pinterest or Framer templates or Webflow templates, for example. So you can take an image and give it to the AI and say that it should create like a similar website like that. So I decided to take this template right here from Spectra. So I right click on it and copy the image. Then we come back to Aura and just say that it should create like a similar website with the same font and colors like that for a SaaS startup. So once we hit enter, then it takes this image and creates a similar landing page like the one in the image. And like it always takes like 1 or 2 minutes to create the finished design. And I would say I show you the finished design once Aura is done building. So the design is done. I really quickly show you what it looked before. Like this is the screenshot we gave it, and this is the final website it created. So it creates also really nice diagrams and graphics. Like this one is a little bit broken, but it's quite simple to fix that with prompting. And for example, also for my agency, I create all my graphics using Aura by creating like the different feature sections on my website. So it looks really similar. It even created like a really similar logo up here. So if you scroll down, it looks really professional and also really nice. Like I don't think it's picked up the entire site. It doesn't look like it. Like we have the feature section here. One benefit, it created everything it could see on the screenshot. It looks really high quality and professional. And you can do that. Like it took me 1 minute to find a nice screenshot, gave it to Aura and created a landing page which you now can present to your clients and sell them even before you created a website for them. So how to find clients for your web designs that you create inside of Aura. So there's an easy way, which is basically Google Maps. So in this example, for example, I looked for plumber in Barclay. And like these are like 2 examples of websites from the listing on Google Maps, and those websites look really bad. Like there's only text on it, and so it's really simple to like just copy all the content, give it to Claude, create a prompt to create a website in Aura, and just paste your prompt and create like 100x better website for this client in just 2 minutes, which you can present to the client, and they don't even paid you yet. So there's like a really big value gap you are creating because you create like a full website design you can show to the client before they paid you. So my strategy would be to cold call them or cold call them, create the landing page using the content or create them a fully new one if they don't even have a website yet, and then get them to a call, show them the website, and then close them for like 2K, for example. And first, after that, after you close them, you start building the website within GoHighLevel. But there are also other ways to get clients. For example, as I said, you could cold call, which is like pretty similar, and you already built a website. So it's way easier for you to like create a website, cold call them, and say you already built them a finished website you can show them, and if they are ready for like a call, so you can show them it. Then next is Facebook groups, for example. So you could offer free like landing page designs to clients, get them on a call, show them the design and close them. And the scalable way is at the end Facebook ads. So the offer could be, for example, to promote like a free hero design or a free landing page design, or that the client gets the first design within like, let's say 24 hours, because like you can create that design so fast. You can make really big claims about the speed you are able to present the design. And that's basically it. So if you want to get this prompt I used and also the link to Aura, comment AI down below and I will send it to you. And if you now want to see how I turn basic GoHighLevel templates into websites I sell for 2K, click here.